In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money on Revolut. So the first thing is once you're inside the app, click on transfer in the bottom here. And then here you're going to be able to either directly type in your friend's name, their rev tag, phone, or email. So for example, I can send money to my dad just by typing his name because he has a Revolut account. Or if you don't have any of this, you can simply click on new, and here's going to ask you how you would like to send the money. So you can do it with a bank recipient by entering their IBAN, which is an international business account number. You can do it a card recipient, so you just simply enter their card number and you'll be able to send the money like that. You can do it via a crypto wallet. You can send it with friends, so you can send it directly to a group of people. You can also send the money internationally, so if you can send the money abroad, or you can create a payment link which you can send to your friends and they'll be able to pay it. So yeah, this is how you send money with Revolut with any of these options here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.